bud, welcome back. What if your engine could make more power, but without adding boost? Hey, and welcome back to another Slakker video. My name is Gavin, and today we're gonna be taking a look at something that's a little more performance focused. In our last video, we took a look at the Hardtech Deep Sump and what it can do to help save your engine from oil starvation. If you haven't seen that video yet, you're definitely gonna wanna check it out. Today, we're gonna continue the series, but we're gonna shift gears into performance, and we're gonna talk about our Slakker Custom Intake Camshafts. So now we're gonna break down how they work, what actually changes inside the engine, and where you're gonna feel the difference. And we're also gonna get the opinion of the engine whisperer himself, Brandon Clark, since we put so many of these on our builds. So if you've ever wondered whether camshaft upgrades are worth it, stick around. So before we get started, let me ask you something. Are you a Porsche enthusiast? Do you like making safe, reliable power? Do you love to give it the beans? Yes, that's me! I love it! If this is you, then you're gonna wanna hit the subscribe button. We've got a lot more engine upgrade content coming, and you're not gonna wanna miss it. And we sell merch. If you wanna rep a Slakker hat or shirt, check out what we sell at sr.dev. So, what do the camshafts do? The camshafts control when and how long the intake and exhaust valves stay open. The camshaft profile, or the height and the shape of the lobe, controls valve lift, or how far the valves open, and valve duration, or how long the valves stay open. This directly controls how much air enters the cylinder during the intake stroke. So, to improve power, we improve airflow. From the factory, these engines are made to be fast. After emissions requirements in the X51 power kit, there's still gains left to be had on these cars. More air put with more fuel creates more combustion, generating more power. So to get more power, we need more air. And one of the ways we do this is with the Slakker cams. The Slakker cams increase both the valve lift, how far the valves get opened, and the valve duration, which is how long the valves stay open during the intake stroke. This allows more air to enter the cylinder each cycle, and you guessed it, more air equals more power. More power! Ah! More power, baby.
This is a 996.2/997.1 camshaft, and it's a two-stage cam, and so it goes with a two-step bucket. And so you can see this bucket right here. This is what one of the lifters looks like. And I'm going to kind of pinch that up, and you can see how that middle part comes. So when there's no oil pressure on this, this outside part just pushes down, and this inside piece is what's solid. This is called a two-step lifter. And if you look right here in between, there's actually a little cam lobe in between these two larger outside cam lobes. And this is what Porsche calls Vario Cam Plus. Now then, you can see this is a much smaller lobe. This lobe will not push the engine past about 3,500 RPMs, no matter how hard you try. It's really just for idling and cruising. We don't mess with that lobe at all, and it's actually a huge advantage for us because you've heard, some big cams engines and they're kind of a rough idle and lopey and blah, blah, blah. We don't have that issue because we're not changing the idle lobe at all. What we're changing is this outside lobe here. And so when this lifter gets pumped up with oil, all of a sudden this spring doesn't go anywhere, and it's these outside lobes that are pushing it down. And this is what we're changing. At 50, which this is considered the base circle here, and it's perfectly round, when this lobe starts lifting the valve 50 thousandths of an inch, that's called the duration at 50. We're increasing the duration at 50 by 13 degrees. So we're adding a little more down low. But when you get up closer to the nose, we're increasing it 22 degrees. Or we're adding more lobe to the valve opening event, and that lets us get more air through there during the same cycle. It's an issue of supply and demand. Now then, if we're not able to create more demand, it doesn't matter how much supply we have, the engine's not going to take it. But if we're able to increase demand from the supply side, then we can increase power.
In the end, it all comes down to your goals for your build. If you're looking to get more out of your M96 or M97 engine, airflow is a big part of the equation, and the Slakker cams are one of the ways that we address that. So, if you've got any questions about your setup or what makes sense for your build, feel free to reach out to us or to drop a comment below. And if you want to learn more about our shop and our different builds, head on over to our website at sr.dev. And in the next part of this series, we'll take things even further and look at how to get even more air into your engine with our special guest, the Port Whisperer.
It's time. I'm Philip. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out another video, check it out right there.